The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, has released crash test ratings for the all-new 2025 Toyota Camry. In the updated moderate overlap front crash test, the Camry received a good rating. The updated test now includes new hybrid 3 crash dummies representing a small woman or 12-year-old child in the second row behind the driver, with the update implemented in response to a higher rate of injuries for passengers seated in the second row. Breaking down the individual metrics of this particular test. Structure and safety cage, good. Driver injury measures. Head neck, good. Chest, good. Thigh hip, good. Leg foot, good. Driver restraints and dummy kinematics, good. Rear passenger injury measures. Head neck, good. Chest, good. Thigh, good. Rear passenger restraints and dummy kinematics, acceptable. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.